2019 and a very warm welcome to the Skoda Car Vision iV. Skoda interior design is standing for a huge space inside. You see it here, and we underline this with the lightness we bring in with our crystal lines in the glass pads in the interior. The underline is also with these lamelles floating to the front screen and about the dashboard, which have the gesture of the grille in the exterior over the whole wideness of the interior up to the doors. So we get really a huge and wide space, and this is authentic language for Skoda in the interior.
From exterior point of view, I want to show this proportion of the car. Nice sleek silhouette, which is defining our Vision iV. Front part of the car is defined by crystalline headlamps, traditional Czech crystal. We have a line running through the grille without interruption, very unique, very authentic, very proud to be Škoda. We have our crystal badge here. We have aerodynamic feature like air curtain here, which improves aerodynamics of the car. Very functional and very authentic.
Škoda. Simply